Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress website run faster. A speedy website is crucial for keeping visitors engaged and improving your search engine visibility. We'll dive into practical, actionable steps you can take right now to dramatically reduce your loading times. Imagine your site loading in under 2 seconds. That's our goal, and it's entirely achievable with the right approach. Let's get started on transforming your site's performance. One of the most impactful ways to accelerate your WordPress site is through robust caching. A good caching plugin can store static versions of your pages, serving them instantly to visitors instead of regenerating them every time. This significantly reduces server load and improves response times. Browser caching also helps by storing site assets locally for returning users, making their subsequent visits incredibly fast. Aim for a comprehensive caching solution. Images are often the largest files on a website, so optimizing them is critical. Compress all your images to reduce their file size by up to 80% without noticeable quality loss. Consider using modern formats like WebP for even greater efficiency. Furthermore, a cluttered database can slow down your site. Regularly clean out old revisions, spam comments, and transient options to keep your database lean and fast, ensuring smooth data retrieval. Your hosting provider plays a massive role in your site's speed. Upgrade to a reputable managed WordPress host that offers optimized server environments. Additionally, integrate a content delivery network, or CDN, to serve your content from servers geographically closer to your visitors, drastically reducing latency. Finally, ensure your server is running the latest stable version of PHP, as each new version brings significant performance improvements, often making your site up to 30% faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.